Did you know Excel can display the exact same number in dozens of different ways without ever changing the actual value stored in the cell? In the next 60 seconds, most people just slap a dollar sign on a cell or hit the percentage button and call it done. But that gives you almost zero control over how your data actually looks. Here is how to get started. First, select the cell or range of numbers you want to format. In our example, we have a column of sales figures. Next, press Ctrl+1 to open. Let me break down a powerful custom format code, hash comma, hash hash 0.00. The hash symbols represent optional digits. The comma inserts a thousandth. Look at the transformation. Our plain numbers now display as beautifully formatted values, complete with thousand separators, two consistent decimal places, and the word. You just learned how to use custom number formats in Excel to display any number exactly the way you need it without touching the actual value.